Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to pick up your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have this quick release mechanism. And how it works is basically we need to pull on this pin to release the strap from the one side basically, and then it will pop off completely. So let's pull on this pin and then try to pull out the strap. It's gonna be hard to pull on this pin because it's quite, I don't know, it's in a bit inconvenient position basically. I'm gonna try to do it with my fingernail, but oh, I did it, okay. And once you pull it, you will be able to take out the strap. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, we have pins on both sides of the strap, and when the strap is on, they're latched in the holes on the watch right here on the both sides of the watch. And when you try to release the mechanism by pulling the lever, I believe, yeah, it basically retracts the pin on the strap, releasing it from the watch, and then you can pull it out. That's how this mechanism works. So let's do the same for the second strap. Okay, try to pull on this on the pin, and we'll release the strap. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get new straps, to put them on, it's quite simple. Basically, we need to take our strap, take the side that is opposite of the mechanism, quick release mechanism, put it in the hole on the watch. So basically we need to put in one side of the strap into watch, then pull on the lever again to retract the pin, and push in the strap to basically lock it in like this. And then we can release the pin, and it should click in at some point and it should hold. Oh, this one didn't work. Let's try again. Pull to retract, align, release, and it should be holding. Something is not working with me. Try again. Okay. No, clicked in. Okay, and now it's holding. So you need to fight with it a little, but once it clicks in, it should be holding. So put it in the hole, pull, push it in like that. Try to align it. Once it clicks in, it should be good. Okay, it clicked in and it's holding. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.